Learning with Rhymes.
Let's learn shapes, come sing with me. Fun and easy as can be. Circle, square, and triangle too. Let's find shapes, me and you. I'm a circle, round and neat. Rolling wheels beneath your feet. No sharp corners, smooth all round. Moving fast without a sound. I'm a square with sides so true. 1, 2, 3, and 4, all equal to. I make windows, gift box tops. Everywhere I love to pop. I'm a triangle, count my sides 3. Strong and steady as can be. Pointy hat or roof so high. I touch the clouds up in the sky. I'm a rectangle, tall or wide. Doors and books am found inside. 2 long sides and 2 are small. I stand straight and proud and tall. I'm a heart full of cheer, spreading love to those near. Soft and pink, I bounce and play, bringing smiles every day. I'm a star with sparkly light, twinkling softly every night. Count my points, I've got 5, shining bright, I feel alive. I'm a diamond shining bright, glowing gently in the light. I can fly just like a kite, up, up, up for the sight. Circle, square, and triangle too. Heart and star, I see you. Diamond, rectangle, what a show. Learning shapes helps us grow. Let's all clap, dance, and play. We learn our shapes, hooray, hooray!
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.